date, children? So today is what date? Today is 16th of July. Today is 16th of July. And what day is today? Today is Friday. Okay. Now tomorrow you have holiday and Sunday also you have holiday. You have two holidays. Saturday and Sunday. So children, now today this in the English class we are going to do, we have done in the maths sticking of the bindis. In maths we have done sticking of the bindis now. So today we are going to do letter O. O. O for orange. We are going to do the letter O. O for orange. Yesterday we did N. N for nest. So today we are going to do O for orange. See, ma'am is wearing a orange color suit today. See, ma'am ने इसीलिए ये पहना है तुम लोग को बताने. O for orange. This is my orange color. Orange color, है ना? And O for हाँ. See, you want see this Adinav? O for orange. This is capital O. This is small o. Okay, capital O and small o. O for orange. Then what is this? O for onion. Onion. Onion मम्मी डालती है ना सब्जी में जब खाना बनाती है मम्मी puts onion प्याज. See what is this? Onion. This is O. O for orange. O for orange. O for onion. And what is this? O for owl. Owl. And what is this? O for ox. O for ox. Ox. This is owl. And this is onion. Yuvan, look here. O for what is this? What is this? Who will tell me? What is this? Again. Very good. And Pratishtha? Pratishtha, what is this? Pratishtha, what is this? Owl. Ajaz? Ajaz, what is this? Yes. O for ox. Yes. So today we are going to do O. So now let us start the counting. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Vaishnavi, what comes after N? O. O. Myra? O. Adinav? O. Okay. So today we are going to do, which letter we are going to do? Today we are going to do letter O. We are going to do letter O. What is this? O, circle. अभी हम लोगों ने सर्कल बनाया था ना मैथ क्लास में. O, like this, make like this. O. O for orange. O for ox. O. O. O says O. 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 Ox. Yes. What is this? What is this, Myra? Myra, what is? Yeah. Yes. This is O. O circle. Circle. See, it's a circle. O. Okay. So now how we are going to? This is right CW. Okay. So today we are going to do letter O. Capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. This is CW and write today's date 16-7-21. So how you are going to make children O? How you are going to make the children O? See. O like this. O like this. Yes, bacha? Yes? Ha. Good, good. O for orange. See, this is the orange. I am coloring it with the orange color. See, Orange color. O for orange. Which letter is this? O. Okay. Which letter is this? O. Okay. M N O. M करा था ना हमने पहले. M. Then after that N. Then after that O. See. कल तुम लोगों ने ये करा था ना. नेस्ट बनाया था. उसमें भी तुम लोगों ने देखो टू एग्स बनाए थे. O. This is also O. Letter O. है ना. Now we are going to do today, children. Oh, this page we are going to do only one page. Oh, and in the workbook also you are going to do the letter O, children. And next month I am going to start with the small letters. Okay. So today we are going to do O. Now see my copy, Myra. Myra, take out your copy, bacha. Come on. Now we are going to do O, letter O. See, you are going to write CW. Today's date 16/7/21. तो रेड लाइन टू ब्लू लाइन सब लोग ओ लिखेंगे ऐसे. काशवी, attend your classes regularly. Yesterday also you were absent, Kashvi. है ना? Why you were absent yesterday? अच्छा. ओ दिस इज कैपिटल. ये देखो मैम ओ कैसे बना रही हैं. रेड लाइन टू ब्लू लाइन, मेक अ सर्कल. ओ दिस वे यू आर गोइंग टू मेक, चिल्ड्रन. ओ देन अगेन इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. रेड लाइन टू. मायरा, अपनी कॉपी निकाल के वर्क करो. कॉपी निकालो मैं इंग्लिश की बेटा. दिस इज लेटर ओ. मानवी, शो मी. Manvi, this is letter O. O for orange. O for orange. This is letter O. O for orange. O for orange. अब ऑरेंज कैसे बनता है तो सबको पता है तुम लोगों को. कल मैम ने बताया था. मेक अ सर्कल. दिस इज ऑरेंज. एंड मेक अ लीफ ऑफ द ऑरेंज. ओ लाइक दिस. ओ फॉर ऑरेंज. O for orange. And color it with the orange color. Yes. O for O for orange. Yes. And on this page, children, you are going to draw a big orange. O for orange. 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 Write CW and today's date. And you will color it. Okay, you will color it with the orange color like this. You will color this with the orange color like this. O for orange. And you will do letter O. Letter. Yes. हाँ वैष्णवी, क्लोज योर ऑडियो. ऑडियो बंद करो वैष्णवी अपना. क्लोज इट. यस. O for Ajaz. Close your audio, bachcha. Sound is coming, beta. Yes. Rehan. Rehan, very good. Rehan is writing. Very good, Rehan. वैष्णवी, वैष्णवी आप भी करो काम. Yes. Arush. Ajaz. Ajaz, show me your copy. Ajaz, show me your copy, बच्चा. हाँ, show me your copy, बच्चा. हाँ, O. O for orange. हाँ, On the other page, orange. Orange की practice हो जाएगी. And color it with the orange color. You can, children, you can in the drawing competition, whatever fruit is your favorite, you can draw. तुम लोग को जो फ्रूट अच्छा लगता है वो बनाना ड्राइंग कंपटीशन में, ठीक है? जो तुम लोग को अच्छा लगेगा वो वाला फ्रूट बनाना. ऑल राइट. सो दिस इज O फॉर ऑरेंज, दिस पेज. yesterday we did this ना, कल हम लोगों ने ये करा था N for nest. So today we are doing O for orange. 2 pages, O, and on this orange. Yes. And always use a sharp pencil, okay? Once we'll finish the capital letters, then we will start the small letter, children. And then we will do matching, draw pictures like I gave you in the unit test now. So we will do all those activities also in English. We have got 1 month. In September you have got the exams. So we have got 1 month. We will do lot of practice, children. You will get it. Let father give us the instructions, then we will give you. Okay? Father will give us the instruction, then we will give you the results. We will send you on your personal number. O for orange. You will do this, children. O for orange. Yes, and in the workbook also, children, you are going to do. Workbook also. Tomorrow is holiday now. So side by side you do the workbook also. You finish your workbook, whatever letter I do in the class. Yes, Manvi? Manvi? Show your copy. Manvi, show me your copy, how you are doing it. Come on, Manvi. Show. Yes. Color it neatly, Manvi. कलर बहुत अच्छे से करना. ड्राइंग कंपटीशन में ऐसे कलर नहीं करना है. डू इट नीटली, लेफ्ट टू राइट. ओके, डू इट नीटली, लेफ्ट टू राइट. वेयर इज अब्दुल खबीर? वेयर इज अब्दुल खबीर? Yes. Abdul, show me what you are doing. Abdul. Yes. Very good. Oh, very good. Acha. Where is Bharat? Bharat. I want to see Bharat, Amvi Shukla. And yes, Amvi, show me bachcho. Good. Manvi, good. Bharat, show me. Bharat. Yes, very good. Bharat, come on. Bharat, ABCD song. जल्दी से बोलो. ABCD start. Very good. Mohammad Saad. Where is Mohammad Saad? Mohammad Saad. Very good. Arhan. Mohammad Saad. Okay. Acha. Mohammad Saad will tell me first. Mohammad Saad, come on. ABCD song. ABCD. Your sound is not coming, Mohammad Saad. Sound is not coming. Your sound is not coming, bacha. Arhan. Arhan, come on, ABCD song. Arhan. Arhan. हाँ चलो मैं A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z X Y Z a sugar on my bread. If you don't like it, you better go to bed. Early in the morning, come to me, and I will teach you A, B, C. Very good. Okay. हाँ अब चलो. Very good, Advika. Come on, this boy. Come on. Aran, chalo, come on. Aran will speak. Aran, come on. A, B, C, D. Very good. Okay. Where is Pakipal? Pakipal. Where is Pakipal? I want to see Pakipal. Yes, Paki. Paki. Which alphabet is this? Say loudly. Yes. N for nest. N for close your audios. Other children, close your audios. Everyone, other children. Yes. Yes. Okay. Paki, what is this? Which alphabet is this? Yes. Okay, Paki, what is this? Which alphabet is this? Yes, very good, very good. Okay, who else is there? Let me check. Where is Arnab? Arnab Jaiswal. Arnab Jaiswal. Arnab Jaiswal. Zainab. Please mute everyone. Zainab, come on, ABCD song. Very good. Where is Arnab Jaiswal? Arnab Jaiswal, I have not seen him from many days. Arnab Jaiswal. Where is Arnab Jaiswal? Okay, Ashvika. Where is Ashvika? Ashvika. Ashvika Shukla. Sorry, Ashvika Yadav. Where is Ashvika Yadav? Yes, Ashvika. Yes, Ashvika. Yes, Ashvika, which alphabet is this? Very good. What is this, Ashvika? What is this? J for? Very good. What is this? J for? J for Jeep. J for Jeep. And what is this? Ashvika, what is this? J for? Jacket. J for jacket. Okay. Ashvika. Yes, Ashvika, come on, ABCD song. Yes. Okay, children, today you are going to do letter O. Yes. Yes, Ashvika. Yes. Anika. Huh? Come on, Anika. Anika, come on. Anika, come on. Start. Wait. Yes, learn it thoroughly, Anika. Okay, loudly and thoroughly you have to recite. Ah, yes, she's speaking very slow. Acha. Okay, Advika. Advika, how many days are there in a week? Start. Very good. Okay. Now, where is Tejas? Tejas Nigam. Yes, Pratik. Very good. Tejas. Tejas, chalo, come on. How many days are there in a week? How, how many days? Start. Start. Yes. Yes, very good. Where is Advika Kapoor? Advika Kapoor. Good. Advika Kapoor. Come on, Advika. Advika Kapoor. ABCD song. ABCD song, Advika. Start. Loudly. Fast. Man is your friend. है ना? Come on. A, B, C.